Today we are doing science experiment. Substances like salt and sugar mixed with water easily. What happens when oil is mixed with water? Let's experiment and find out. Now we need test tube, beaker, spoon, string stick, citric acid, vegetable oil and water. Add 10 ml water in the test tube. Now add 1 spoon citric acid. Now mix this well. Now add 10 ml of oil. Screw the cap and shake well. Now shake it well. See? See what happened. The vegetable oil did not mix with citric acid solution. Behind this experiment, oil molecules and water molecules are very different from each other. Oil molecules attract each other more than they attract water molecules. Water molecules attract each other than they attract oil molecules. Hence, oil molecules separate themselves from water molecules. So friends, let's do this experiment and learn with fun.